Hi guys! So for this look I'm starting with my NYX concealer and I'm applying it all over my eye. Next I'm going to take a piece of tape for creating a sharp line. I'm going in with my Morphe 35N palette and I choose the lightest color, which I'm going to apply it all over my eye. Second color I'm using is a light pink from the same palette. The next color is a darker pink. Now I'm going in with a purple shade. I'm taking this brown shade. Then using a blending brush, I'm going to blend that brown color. I'm going back in with that light pink just to mix the colors. Now that I removed the tape, I'm going to apply that dark pink underneath my lower lash liner and that purple color as well. I'm going to use this NYX Matte Liquid Liner, which I really love it. Next, for my lashes, I'm using this False Lash Telescopic mascara from L'Oreal. I'm going in applying some lashes and after that I will apply again some mascara. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Diamond Frame from NYX. For my face, I'll start with this primer from Smashbox and after that I'm going in with my NYX foundation. For concealer, I'm using the same that I used on my eyes. To contour my face, I'll use this NYX Wonder Stick. Now I'll take my sponge and just blending everything, of course starting with the lightest part. matte bronzer, again from NYX. For highlighting my face, I'll use the highlighting palette from Sleek. Moving on to the lips, I'm using this infallible lip liner from L'Oreal and the lip paint again from L'Oreal. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!